Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today my topic is Pakistan Defense Day speech for students. Respected principal, teachers and my friends, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank our host for inviting me to the stage. It is my honor to deliver a speech in front of worthy principal, honorable teachers and my dear classmates. I will begin my speech by describing to you the pains and sacrifices to achieve this country, Pakistan. When the British took over in 1857, Muslims were the victim of British cruelty. In such times, leaders like Qaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Liaquat Ali Khan, and Chaudhry Rahmat Ali worked hard days and nights to get us a separate homeland for our welfare. When we achieved Pakistan with thousands of deaths already, 14 August migration caused more sorrows as the deaths of hundreds of thousands of humans happened in this migration. Finally, Pakistan became stable after early sacrifices, but Kashmir was taken away from us. We started to develop schemes to get Kashmir. Then something happened on 6 September 1965, dawn which was harsher than ever. Dear friends, India attacked Pakistan at 3 a.m. without any declaration or warning. Pakistan was shocked. It was the time to defend the country. Our soldiers did not bow down to the shock and replied to them in a fitting manner. We destroyed their tanks, checkposts, and aircraft. MM Alam set the example of excellence on 7 September. He shot down 5 Indian Hunter aircraft with F-86, which is still a record. Not only that, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti wrote the tale of bravery with his blood. He got Nishan Haider for his valor, which saved Lahore. All the efforts and misadventures of the Indian Army gave them nothing in the end. Indian destroyed tanks are still in a Pakistani museum today. Pakistanis visit them and take pride that our army did not let any of them damage our steel. Respected audience, it is due to our soldiers' blood that we can celebrate Defense Day today. Our army has not only protected us from enemies but also saved us many times during flood or earthquake situations. Our army has been defending us and our homeland for decades. Their blood is the foundation of our freedom. Let us pray that Pakistan continues to exist till Judgment Day. Long live Pakistan, long live Pak Army. Wassalam. Thanks for watching.